Have you ever stopped your travel without roads? We know, nowadays, vehicles and roads are very essential to travel around the world. Wherever we can go by vehicles except some areas. In some places where we don't have any roads such as river fordings, marshlands, beaches, forests and some other difficult terrains. These are the places where we can't go by vehicles as usual without roads. And the major thing is our vehicles are not designed to drive in some sensitivity areas. So the situation is even more difficult to travel without roads. Therefore, the famous American company developed a smart rescue roadway kit C40 Trackway. The C40 Trackway is a measured street that gives improved availability across sensitivity areas. It has the large heavyweight rolls which is composed by single aluminium panels and connected by spare lock pins. We can remove and join the panels based on the length requirement. The rolls of C40 Trackway has 200 panels and 10 spare locking pins. In here, the rolls are joined with the JCP56080 telehandler. It creates optimum surface like a road and it is most appropriate for use in flowing water because of zero drift feature. The C40 Trackway is designed to manage vehicles up to 100 tons weight with 30 tons loads. We can use this roadway kit in any season because it is comfortable with surrounding temperatures going from -40 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Hereafter, we can go anywhere by any vehicles with the help of C40 Trackway.